One car, three financing options. Would you buy or lease? Let's say you're in the market to purchase a new or used vehicle, and you thoroughly research which option is best for you. The cost of leasing versus buying new or used should be in the decision-making process prior to going to a dealer. The careful consideration of the pros and cons of each option will play an important role in this decision-making process to best fit your personal needs. To begin, I would like to share with you the benefits of leasing or purchasing a vehicle, which can be rewarding to whatever situation you're in. A couple of advantages of leasing are lower monthly car payments and lower repair costs. According to the U.S. News and World Report entitled Best Cars in the U.S. News article, ranking and review article written on 7 October 2016, it states, you're only financing the depreciation that occurs during the term of the lease of the car. While leasing, the vehicle is covered under the factory warranty, which means there is little to no repair costs. Some disadvantages of leasing are limited annual mileage and early termination fee. Most companies limit the driving to 12,000 miles per year and apply costly overage fees if you happen to go over that amount of miles. If you decide that you would like to return the car or change the vehicle prior to the end of the contract, be prepared to pay costly termination fees. I have previously explained the advantages and disadvantages of leasing a vehicle. Now I'll talk about the pros and cons of purchasing a new vehicle. Purchasing a new vehicle has many advantages, but I'll only name a couple. One great advantage is the car is yours when it is paid off. This was cited in the Buying versus Leasing a Car, What to Keep in Mind article written by Kathleen Lee and Samantha Elkins in the Business Insider on March 10, 2016. Because the car is financed and not leased, there is no mileage restriction. That means you can drive the car as much as you want. Disadvantages are the payments are typically higher, and therefore the car depreciates in value as soon as it is driven off the lot. I have previously explained the benefits of purchasing a new vehicle. Now let's discover the benefits of purchasing a used vehicle. Benefits of purchasing a used vehicle are cheaper insurance and low upfront costs. According to Philip Reed, the Senior Consumer Advice Editor, in the Comparing Costs article by New, Used, or Lease listed 30 September 2015, it states, insurance companies offer cheaper rates on used vehicles. Being that the car is low in price, the upfront costs are also lower than if you were to purchase new. Some disadvantages of purchasing a used car are high interest rates because banks offer few low interest deals. The dealerships also offer little to no warranty. If you purchase a used car from a private owner, be prepared to get it checked thoroughly by a couple of different mechanics to make sure that there aren't any underlying conditions that may come up later. In conclusion, I hope this information serves you well with both the advantages and disadvantages of leasing, purchasing new or used. While these are only a few brief benefits of each category, please check out the many articles on the best ways to finance a vehicle. Remember, it pays to weigh the good and bad when buying a vehicle.